just left Puddin Bay. We're kind of a bit of in a hurry. There's a storm over Toledo, and it's heading this way. I'm hoping, you know, it's coming up. The storm cell is coming up from the southwest. So by leaving now, it's like 8, a little bit before 8:30 a.m. But by leaving now, I'm hoping we can stay ahead of it. It's really not predicted, forecast. The storm's not supposed to hit Wyandotte until about 2 o'clock. So what I believe we got coming at us is a slow-moving cell. And we're taking a chance of getting out of Lake Erie. We're not worried about a little bit of rain. We're worried about wind and lightning, of course. You know, those are our biggest concerns. But by leaving now, we're hoping to stay ahead of it. As long as the lake is calm, we're probably going to throttle it up pretty good and then get home, so, before the bad weather hits us. So wish me luck, and on the way. I was making my way across Lake Erie. It's about 2.5 hour drive on a good day, cruise on the boat. And as you can see, the sky was darkening. Camera doesn't really catch it all. I couldn't really move the camera around too much on this video because I had to stay behind the wheel and concentrate on my safety. But anyway, as you can see, I was growing concerned. I was had good water though. The lake was not too rough, and I'm cruising about a little bit past my cruising speed. I was doing about 30 miles an hour coming across that lake. At this time, you can see visibility was getting very limited. I did have my running lights on. If the water got any rougher, I would have probably put on a life jacket and a little cautious, and maybe I should have anyway. But like I said, the visibility was very limited, but I had to keep a good sharp lookout, make sure it wasn't coming on to any oncoming vessels. Definitely can't see much in front of you though. It's pretty dark. I'm running with my running lights on too. This is the darkest I've seen it out here. I'm a bit worried. The water's a little choppy, but not too bad. Cruising about 27 miles an hour. Got about 24 miles to my destination. So hopefully we can hang in there. Dark, and I'm running with running lights on right now. It's so bad. It's about 9:15 a.m. This is what I would call riding the storm out, just like the song. a dart over there, and it's coming this way. Like all hell is about ready to break loose out here. Let me tell you. Well, as you can see, I got into Livingston Channel, which is the beginning of the Detroit River, and made it safe. What a heck of a storm. We just stayed just ahead of that as it was moving in, and left early in the morning, put in bay, and we got in. So anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you really enjoyed my videos, I appreciate it if you hit the like button down below, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll keep doing this for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye now.